2018 Urban Sketchers Symposium in Porto, Portugal. Can you tell me your name?
Yes, sure. I'm LK Bing from Indonesia.
Okay, great, fantastic. And can you tell me a little bit about what you typically like to teach in a workshop?
In making a sketch, I usually emphasize on the lighting concept.
Yes.
I mostly do sketch spontaneous.
Yes.
And with brush or pencil.
Yes.
to create artistic result.
Right.
Yeah. I love sketch on location because it's useful for me to feel the emotion of the place,
right,
and the spirit of the place,
right,
and useful for me to guide as a guide for create a bigger artwork.
Cool. Yeah. Can you show me some of your sketches?
Yes, it's my work. Yeah, I usually have many tonal varieties.
Right, so it's all about values.
Yeah, values, tonal values. And
the light and dark.
There's a black and white. Black and white.
And what did you use to make that?
I use water-soluble pencil and watercolor black and white.
Right.
Yeah. I will show you another work. Yeah. It's the tonal.
Yes.
The tonal skill of gradation of value.
Yes.
Yeah. This is I love to create foreground, emphasize focal point, and depth of field.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Is that
like
also with the pencil?
Mostly I do in color too. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's
hold that one for a minute so people can see it. That's beautiful.
I use water-soluble marker mixed with watercolor, can make create faster than pen.
That's absolutely beautiful, and you can see the light and dark and the values there.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Thank
Excellent.
you so much.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, LK, for chatting with me today.
You're welcome.
Good luck.